We had a pole building that was built back in the 70s that was in very bad condition that needed to be replaced. It's our first building that we put up for the salt dome. It worked really, really well. We can store about 2,000 yards of material in here. It's all dry, stays out of the snow. It's a good working environment. This has made the snow operation a lot better. 44 feet to the peak inside up here. Height is great. We can back 40-foot dump trailers in here and they can dump right inside the facility. The tandems have to kind of watch the sides to put the sand and the stone in, but in here they can just dump right out. Turned out great. We've got 2 LED lights and it lights up in here at night just fine. You can see people walking very clearly. It's really safe to work in. And plus the machines have lights too, so it's lit up well. Say we've divided up so we can get everything in here to keep everything out of the weather. We bring our trucks in and loads quick. We get our trucks in and out fast and it just works great. All I say, it does what it does. We like it.